Hey you guys, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen, and I'm coming to you guys from St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm actually standing outside one of the casinos and hotels here. I'm standing outside of the Hollywood Hotel and Casino, and I'm just going to give you guys a short tour of my room that I stayed in, the lobby, and maybe some areas around the casino that I'm able to film in. And just for a disclaimer, there is like a no filming law in Missouri inside a casino, so you can't have your phone out, you can't film when you're in the casino. They be on you if you're trying to do Snapchat stories and all that type of stuff. So I'm not gonna go in the casino or face towards that way, because security gonna come for me, y'all, and I ain't trying to have nobody come for me. We just gonna keep it nice and simple. So stay tuned, let's check this out. Okay, you guys, so it looks like there's 3 different towers: the Sunset Tower, the Rodeo Tower, and it has the Melrose room. So I believe we're in the Rodeo Tower, and we've been using the Melrose elevator to get up to our hotel room. Okay, so in order to use the elevator, you do need your room key card. We was a little confused because we was just sitting here pushing buttons at first, but you gotta have your key card, and you have to put it down here against that, and then push 5. Uh-oh, I might be on the wrong side. See, I done messed up. What side of the elevator am I on? See, I might be on the wrong side. So let me try this side over here. Oh, but that's opening. Second floor. See, I hope I'm not stuck down here. There it is. See, I don't know. My key has not been. Okay, there it is. My key worked that time, but once you press your key against that touchpad there, then you can actually push the floor that you want to go on. And now we're just gonna take this walk to the room. I don't know, everybody else key has been working, but mine has been having issues. Everyone else key been working. Man, you messing up my video, but my key has been working fine. Is y'all ready?
Yeah. I was just calling you. Answer your, you got your phone with you?
It's right here. I'm filming. You messing up. I'm trying to do the elevator.
Oh.
My key I was stuck down there. My key wasn't working.
Oh.
Yeah. So you do have the option of parking outside right in front of the hotel or in front of the casino. You do just have to go up some stairs. And let's see, typically the area I'm facing now is the casino entrance, and typically there's valet parking over in that area. Last night we did notice that there was no valet. I'm assuming it might have been due to COVID-19, or maybe it just was because how late we got here, but we did not see the valet outside, as well as there's valet too on the hotel side. You can valet park. And then behind the hotel and casino, there's actually free parking in a parking structure that is attached to the hotel and casino. So